I'm taking this opportunity to send a message to Sharon Burke and the Not So Solid Agency. And Shaggy is a bitch.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and liners. Pick up on yourself. I know they are well love and blessings, you know. So give thanks to their rising, give thanks to their day, you know. Yes, man. Festive seasons upon you all who celebrate Christmas or not. Happy New Year when it forward. I pray for us all to live to see it, you know. So anyone there, blessings, guidance, and protection. You know, so we kick off the vlog. We send out the blessings first. Zane, yes, my viewers and subscribers. So coming up in this episode, I don't know, Metropolitan Police got Big Stone and admitted him get a radam. Zine, and also our next part, them mash up the eagle things, them hustlers them on the street side. Yes, the Metro Police them antagonize them style. I tell you, is it my viewers and subscribers. And also the Prime Minister, yes, demolition man, as a message for the youths and me walk around with illegal gun, 15 years. Zine, yes sir, you have been warned. Stay away from gun, especially the illegal ones them. Yes, and also Popcaan, you know the boss. This Sharon Burke's Not So Solid Agency and Shaggy. Brawling. Zine, no holding back. Viewers and subscribers, don't go nowhere another vlog you spicy and nicely. Yes man, we are forward.
Violence increase. The youths them find it hard to live in peace. Every day someone bloodshed on the streets. Every day someone lying dead on the tough concrete.
Welcome back, thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Don't forget to like and share the content. Now, the song name Me a Pray. You're going to please go and check it out. I will leave the link in the description, comment section, pinned, so you can go click on it and listen to the song and let me know leave your opinion and feedback in the comment section. See, your support is highly appreciated. Now let's click off the show right now. Watch them Metro Police here, mash up the people, the hustlers them on the street, you know, try to make ends meet. Look what them are dealing with the people, them star. Watch what go on.
Alright, officer, alright.
John Star, a lot of pure wickedness, you know. Them Metro Police, I tell me, say them have no family where them start hustling up on the street. You know, imagine the country locked down for so long. I know the people, them Christmas are forward, the people them out there sell them look yam and banana and them look bag juice and them sitting there, look rare clothes for provide for the Christmas for them family, them kids. They see me and the government not doing much for them. And they said the police antagonize them and mash up the people them style and take with them clothes and them food and them sitting there. Wickedness, my viewers and subscribers. And this is all down to the Prime Minister. Is to be blamed because information so the people them, you know, stress free and not getting an antagonization from the Metro Police them. A lot of people them, them also look at daily food and can provide for them Christmas. Is it, my viewers and subscribers? Let me know what you think about that. Moving on, and watch the police and I do the same thing on me pen, but this one here, the police get a radam. Watch what I go on. Yes, so basically watch what I go on. Zine, now the market is a me pen. Crowd gathered. Them are taking people things. You know, the youth them are hustle. People are cursed with the police and what you can see. See me? You know, I watch the police kick with the youth there, kick him. You see me watching, radam, you see the big stone? Charger. Whatever take bad things and that, but you see me, them follow the people, them hustling, but them do them look hustling, man, because you know, because it now bother them and you know the government them bread butter. Them not care about the poorer class, you see me, and some of them police them have family in the same situation out there hustling, you know. Them have no remorse, no sympathy for the people in the street. We are hustle, them in rather a man got thief. And them got dirt, them and lock them up on dirt, them, you see me? Yeah. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. Now watch the Prime Minister, hear what the Prime Minister has to say to the illegal gunslingers them.
So all of those little boys running around with guns, who believe that sure, them will go in front of a judge and they will plead a case and they will go through some bargaining process and they get 6 months and come out. Rubbish! What them say? Radam! You're going to get 15 years minimum. Radam!
Some of you and subscribers only what the Prime Minister said. 15 years minimum for all who get caught with an illegal gun. Radam. So if you have any family in a badness, warn them. And to the youth, if you don't listen to this, be careful, stay away from it. Don't get caught. Don't take the Prime Minister words for granted or feel like I bluff him or bluff. Zin? Alright, stay away from crime. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Now, hear what Popcaan has to say to Sharon Burt, them now, and Shaggy. Lord Jesus.
I mean, your man Jay Sutherland, as you know. And I'm taking this opportunity to send a message to Sharon Burke and the Not So Solid Agency.
Yeah, they say the styling starting up, Not So Solid Agency. So basically, Popcaan say, yo, Solid Agency, water down, them not solid. You see me, I say them melt out.
I know exactly what you do the other night at the stadium when you try to sabotage my performance because of personal feelings. And we all know so when you hate one you can't control, you know. And one in have shares and percentage, you know, you see me? Yeah, when you feel like when you can control the industry and put who no one put a number one and put who no one put international. But unruly boss break them spell a long time. And show me say I don't need enough to do shit. Late phone, you can't stop unruly again, you see?
People now listen, Kaylee. Yeah, Popcaan say gatekeeping, controlling, and because of certain things, they never have no shares on a part for playing their career. And they say that come from. Open the ears and the eyes and listen. Gatekeepers.
And we know on the road, you know, and be industry gatekeeper and them shit there. And one control who go international and who stay. You know, you can't control me already. Yeah, and Shaggy is a bitch. Yeah, Me say that Shaggy is a little bitch.
Viewers and subscribers, you know, here I go on. So basically, the Popcaan say like them try sabotage him set. You know, on the show his mic wasn't up to standard. There was shortage and some people did that boo, frustrated fans were booing and you know what I mean? Yes, so basically that come off. You know, Solid Agency as they played a major role in the show coming to Jamaica, Burna Boy. Yes, and Burna Boy did want one reggae artist who is Lil Ike and the next reggae artist who is Popcaan, who he has a close relationship with Burna Boy. You see? So I don't know if I true my Up Top Boss. I know Up Top Boss is managed now by Sharon Burke, Solid Agency. Is he, and you know, Shaggy, a Solid Agency right hand. So I don't know what I go on there. So if Sharon Burke, them did want Up Top Boss to perform as the dancehall artist. Zine, and it never go on because Burna Boy wants to say a Popcaan him want and blah blah. So yeah, some feelings I carry from somewhere, but you know, all of them in the business and them know them one another business and secret and who I carry feelings or not. But you see me, I don't know why I'm this Shaggy still. I couldn't tell you why, but you know we shall find out later on. So me I say, but I say, I be a politics in that thing and gatekeepers, and if you can't control them, block you. Your Popcaan I tell you that. Yeah man, who feels it knows man. Remember me telling you say twice, you know, I was threatened to be blacklisted, you know, you get me, because me I stand up for my right and me I ask questions and then couldn't get to go around me and use me, you know? Yes, so yeah, you see me, so I don't know if that play a role in my thing right now from them time from 2010 coming up onwards. You see me? And also, you know, Shaggy, I met Shaggy face to face at the Olympics 2012 and Sharon Burke introduced me to him. I know me used to do run Alliance skill at them one thing and you know the man said, yo, when I come to Jamaica, link me man, and I took myself to Jamaica the fall 2013 after the Olympics. And I reach out to the man and none wins, nothing. You see me? None wins. You know what I mean? And I said, watch you The empty premises, that's how I did it, like the empty premises, you know? Yeah, I go even call a big yard and them things, no knowings. Yeah, see it, yeah, but I say you go my viewers and subscribers. As I said, the industry is very malicious and corrupt, and you know what I mean? Yeah, you have to just stay strong, and the fittest of the fittest shall survive. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. Is Popcaan right to rant like that and this Shaggy and Sharon Burke? Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm out. Me gone.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.